Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the pancreas head, about the part of pancreas, about the head. Okay, head of the pancreas. Coming to the topic, head of pancreas. Head of the pancreas. It is enlarged disc-shaped right end of the pancreas, which lies in the concavity of the C-shaped duodenal loop in front of the L2 vertebrae. It is enlarged disc-shaped right end of the pancreas, which lies in the concavity of the C-shaped duodenal loop in the front of the L2 vertebrae. External features. The head represents the following external features. It has 3 borders and 2 surfaces. 3 borders are superior, inferior and right lateral. Superior, inferior, right lateral. Okay. This is the right lateral. And the surfaces are anterior, and this anterior and that back side is posterior. Okay, these are the external features. Once again, 3 borders are present: superior, inferior and right lateral. Remember guys, right lateral. And sorry guys, this is the right lateral. Superior, inferior, right lateral. And it has 2 surfaces, anterior and posterior. Okay, coming to next processes. It has one process that is called uncinate process. It is a hook-like process from the lower and left part of the head. It extends toward the left behind the superior mesenteric vessels. Okay, this is the uncinate process. It is a process of head of the pancreas. It present in the left side. It is a hook shape. Okay, head of the pancreas has one process, uncinate process. It is a hook like process where the lower and left part of the head, lower and left part of the head, lower side, and this is the left side. Okay, behind the superior mesenteric vessels. Coming to the relations, superior border is related to first part of the duodenum and superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Superior border is related to the first part of duodenum and superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Superior This is the superior border. The superior border is related to the first part of the duodenum. Okay, and other one is superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. That is not shown here, guys. Okay. Coming to the inferior border. Inferior border is related to the third part of the duodenum and inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Okay, this is the inferior part. This is the first part of duodenum, second part of duodenum, this is the third part of duodenum. Okay, and the superior part is related to the first part of duodenum and the inferior part is related to the third part of duodenum, and this superior part is related to the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery, and the inferior part of the head of the pancreas is related to the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. It is not shown in this diagram, guys. Next, right lateral border is related to right lateral part is related to second part of duodenum and anterior and posterior pancreatico-duodenal arterial arcades. Okay, this is the right lateral part of the pancreas, guys. This related to the second part of duodenum. Okay, and this also related to the anterior and posterior pancreatico-duodenal arteries arcades. Okay, anterior surface is related from above downward to anterior surface. This is the anterior surface. This is from above downward, from upwards to downwards. First superior one is gastroduodenal artery. You remember, guys, one by one. Superior duodenal artery, transverse colon, root of transverse mesocolon and jejunum. These are in anterior. See here, guys. These are the anterior relations. Anterior surface is related from above downwards to first gastroduodenal artery, transverse colon, root of transverse mesocolon, transverse colon, root of transverse mesocolon, jejunum. See here. This is the transverse colon. This is the transverse mesocolon. This is the jejunum and the superior mesenteric vessels. Transverse colon, root of mesocolon, root of transverse mesocolon. This is transverse colon. This is transverse mesocolon. This is the jejunum. Okay, and the other one is gastroduodenal artery. Next, posterior surface is related to inferior vena cava, left renal vein, bile duct, right crus of diaphragm. Okay, if we see diagram, it is clear to you. And the posterior relations are bile duct, inferior vena cava, and other ones are right crus of diaphragm, left renal vein. That is not found in this diagram, guys. This portal vein, we also see other parts. This pancreatic duct, splenic vein, superior mesenteric vein, inferior vena cava, but we have to remember only two in this diagram, guys. One, posterior relations, bile duct and inferior vena cava. This is the bile duct, this is the inferior vena cava. These are the most important structures to remember in this diagram. Okay, and uncinate process is related to anteriorly to superior mesenteric vessels and posteriorly to abdominal aorta. See guys, this is the anterior, this diagram is the anterior surface of pancreas. You see here, this is the uncinate process, this is the uncinate process of head of pancreas. It is related to superior mesenteric vessels, okay, and in posteriorly the uncinate process is related to the abdominal aorta, okay. In next video we are going to learn about the neck of the pancreas. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.